Today I'm going to further explore the San Rafael Swell and check out the Lucky Strike Uranium mine. There's actually quite a few abandoned cars out here in the Temple Mountain San Rafael Swell area. So it's kind of interesting to check them out. Looks like they've been here for a while and seen a lot of target practice. Out on the back portion here of Temple Mountain, I've never actually been out here before. It's a super rough road. I didn't film any of it yet because I had to concentrate on driving. So it's just like a bunch of like kind of shelf rock and stuff like that. And, I mean, I made it up in my Tacoma, and it's not like super modified, so just don't take your rental vehicle up here, or something that shouldn't be up here. But anyway, I was wondering what these are, these holes. Like, I saw one over at that other place over by the Vanadium King, and now this is the second one. So I don't know if it was a shaft that got filled in, and then there's also another one of these guys. It's like a pit. Maybe it was like for like a dwelling or something like that. I don't know. I don't know enough about this area, and I have so many questions about it. Yeah, it's just kind of the way it goes, I guess. And here's another car, or what's left of it. Looks like it's the same type as the other one here. Huh. Maybe someone could let me know what kind of car this is. That's pretty cool. I like seeing like ruins of stuff. Yeah, those holes though, like, I have more questions about this place. Always. The more I explore, the more I want to know. All right, let's keep going. The places you find when you go exploring. This is actually a pretty cool camp spot. But it's just kind of a pain to get to, at least from the side I went to. I mean, this would be really nice if there's no wind. Because if you're out on this ridge, I could see you just getting blasted by wind. But it's really cool. I mean, it's a very impressive view. Looks like I got a ways to go to get all the way over. Yeah, it's kind of a weird spot. Yeah, I was just driving by, listening to the Radioactive, and it started like going pretty nutty when we got to this little section here. And yeah, it looks like they were just like mining out this little pocket here. And looks like there's some strong little bits. I mean, nothing like super crazy, but definitely some of the strongest stuff I've seen in this trail right here. So kind of cool. There's like all these like little like piles of ore all around here. But yeah, it's pretty random fun. I have no idea if this is even just a mine or what, because it doesn't seem like they took out too much material. All right, let's keep going. haven't really been that talkative on this leg of the trip right now. This is just, you know, just a long dirt road, nothing too eventful to get out to the trail for these 2 mines. So I just have to get through it. What are they trying to say? Yeah, there'll be a radon, but I guarantee you it will be nothing that would affect you in a quick visit. But it's interesting. I haven't seen this sign before. This is the first time I'm seeing it. So I think this should be the Lucky Strike mine that I'm heading out to right now. I don't know if we'll be able to get to that that Tom Hilsch or Tom Rilsch Butte mine today. That might be a tomorrow thing. So I might be camping out this way. We'll see what happens. But so far it's been a pretty easy road. A little muddy. This is pretty cool. It's like little cabins out here. I think there's actually a plaque somewhere over there. I'll go and check that out in here in a second. Just want to kind of walk around while it's still light, so I can actually see the stuff that's around here. Whoa. And of course, there's a car. Oh man, I should call this the Temple Mountain Car Show with how many cars I've seen out here. Yeah, this one's seen some action here. A little bit of dirt in there. Pretty cool place. So this is the Lucky Strike, as I remember. I'm gonna go check out that plaque and see what that says. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place. I'll probably end up just camping here for the night, and then go to the Tom-ish Butte mine tomorrow morning, and probably explore these mines up here tomorrow morning as well, because I probably won't do them right now. But let's go check out that plaque. What does this say? Yep, the Lucky Strike mine. So I guess this is the miner's cabin that I'm walking to right now. It's like up on top of the hill here. So I think all those other places were maybe like meeting halls, and I think maybe the one was a kitchen or something. Just educated guesses. I wonder if this was like some sort of like dump for the ore. And maybe a truck would pull up and they just dump the ore straight into there. Maybe. I figure it's as good a guess as any for out here. I mean, maybe that plaque might tell a little bit more about this place and what all the functions were. But that's what I would think something like that would be used for. All right, ready to explore the Lucky Strike mine here. I got the tent all packed up this morning and just kind of, took it easy and enjoyed the morning. And it's a little windy this morning, but now it's all gone. It's life in the desert. So I'm going to hike up here and see if I can't check out some of these mines. I did fly the drone this morning and cruised up to one of the main adits I can see up there, and I can definitely see that it's blocked with like a huge door of concrete. So I don't think there's going to be any exploring inside of there, but there might be some cool stuff on top of this hillside up here. So we're going to go up there and check it out, see what we find. So I just got up to this flat portion up here, and it looks like this was probably some type of ore dump. I'm not sure what this area was. It might have been part of like a mine dump, like to dump ore like into trucks and to haul it away. I mean, that's what it kind of looks like, because I think that other mine is like up a little bit higher. So that might have been what this was, because I don't think it's a mine entrance here. It looks like it was just maybe shorn up to support the load of dump trucks. I mean, maybe. I'm just speculating right now. But I figure it's a pretty solid speculation. And yeah, this area is a little bit radioactive. My Radicode's kind of going, blah! Yeah, it's alerting me. So, nothing too crazy. But let's keep going. So on top of this tailings pile now, or whatever you want to call it, so there's some like kind of wood structures that might have been using that to shore up a certain area and took it out. But yeah, all this looks pretty weathered away by the water coming down here. I mean, you can see, look at this. It's like a canyon. Like some people were having fun with that. This looks pretty unstable. I don't know. I'm gonna go across it. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm out here by myself. I'm not gonna take any chances like that. I mean, it looks super solid, but I could just walk around to the other side. It doesn't matter. It's kind of an interesting sandstone formation. Looks like a big old slab that took out of here, and it's just been slowly weathering away. So this is kind of the first adit I've run across so far, and it's blocked off really good. Yeah, so this mine is blocked off pretty good here. I feel like that's how all of them are going to be. There's definitely a higher level of radiation. I could hear the Radioactive 101 buzzing. I mean, nothing crazy, but definitely some radiation here. So I just walked up here to the last mine here, and you can see that I'm going to go in there a little bit just to poke my head in. But you can see that someone has removed some of the bricks here. So if you really felt inclined to go inside this mine, you actually could. But I'm gonna go and check it out. I wish I would have brought my flashlight. I didn't think that I'd run into anything that was open. So let's go inside a little bit. Yeah, radiation levels are increasing pretty high. Or, you know, increasing. So look inside that mine. It looks like you could easily crawl through here. It's very muddy where I'm standing. But yeah, pretty cool. I do not feel like climbing in there by myself though. Pretty cool. So I guess not all of them are closed. I mean, that one, you could easily walk, you know, crawl into. But I don't have a headlamp with me. Like, all I have is my iPhone, and I'm alone. So I don't really feel like taking the chance there of crawling into this mine. It'd be pretty cool though. I have to remember to come back here if it's still open. Who knows, maybe someone from the Bureau of Land Management will see this and be like, oh, we gotta shut this up even more. Hopefully not. All right, so I think that's gonna do it for the Lucky Strike area. Now I'm gonna head over to the Tom Hilsch or Rilch Butte mine and check that out. So that should be pretty good.